Hey guys, today we're going to look at the replacement of shaft seal for the Sabroe air conditioned compressor. We had a leak from the seal, so we're going to replace it with a new one. So first we need to take off the shaft seal cover. There are bolts holding this cover in place, so we remove these bolts. Once all the bolts are loose, we can take off the cover. It will just come out easy, and the oil through ring will jump out. Keep it safe to install it later. You can see the ceramic part, the shaft seal here. If there are any damages, you should be able to see it clearly. This was an old seal that was installed because we did not have spare. And you can see there is some damage on the face and also some marks inside the seal. So we're going to take it to the workshop later to replace it. Now for the part inside, there is a slide ring which is held together by Allen bolts, which makes it very snug fit on the shaft. So we need to loosen these Allen bolts. And then the slide ring becomes loose on the shaft and it can be pulled out. So loosen all the Allen bolts. Then with the screwdriver, you can move this ring out, and then you can pull it out from the shaft by your hands. You're also going to take this to the workshop and replace it with a new seal. You can also check the shaft if you see any damages and if you see any broken parts. So to dismantle the slide ring, we need to remove all the Allen bolts. You can see there is a retention ring on the last part that is holding the seal on the shaft. Remove the ceramic part. You need to press it with a tool or a Teflon block, and then you can remove the circlip, this retention ring from the top. You can clean all the springs, remove the O-ring inside. There is another O-ring on the outside of the flange. All these parts, they will be part of the kit for replacement. Here you can see we have the new ceramic part, the O-rings, new bolts, and an Allen key. This ring goes here on the outside. This one sits inside this flange. The one we removed from the old one was very brittle. Also refer to your manual for the torque, for the Allen bolts, and also if you're not missing any parts. We have the new slide ring, so we're going to assemble it with new bolts. These ones just need to be hand tight for now because we need to slide it on the shaft first. and install the new O-ring, the shaft seal cover. With the new ceramic part, you need to press it down and put the retention pin. Make sure you put some softer materials so that you don't damage the seal face. Before installing, make sure the shaft is okay, it's clean. We had a few scratches which we cleaned with the 5-micron emery paper. Make sure you only use emery paper if you have a very fine in microns. Don't use a 200 grit or a 400 grit sandpaper. Once you have made sure the shaft is clean, it's very important that you lubricate all the parts of the seal, the shaft, all the O-rings. Use the compressor oil. Now you can put the slide ring on the shaft, and it should be easy to push it inside all the way. Make sure it's touching all the way back on the shaft. Now you need to tighten all the Allen bolts to the specified torque that is in your manual. Make sure you tighten them equally. Once that is done, we put the outer shaft seal cover. Make sure the hole from where you have the leakage pipe going, it's at the bottom. And you can just slide it on, put bolts, and you can tighten this flange. Then you have put this flange on the shaft. The distance between the face of the flange and the compressor body should be around 3 mm. If it's more, that means your slide ring is not sitting properly on the shaft. So make sure that you check this distance. It's also mentioned in the manual. So refer to your manual, maybe it's more or less depending on which model of the compressor you have. Make sure you tighten all the bolts equally. And diagonally, so the flange is sitting okay. Also check in the manual if you have any torque for these bolts. After you tighten the flange, you have to install the oil throw ring. Just need to expand it a little bit and push it. And it will be okay. Thank you.